Michael Jordan, one of the all-time greatest NBA players, once said, "Never say never, because limits, like fears, are often just an illusion." A pleasant day to you all, Pax et Bonum. I'm Jedsel Gabriel Bilibunaw, a grade 11 ABM student of Lourdes School of Mandaluyong. Many of my peers, and even formators in school, know me for being that student who does it all. I'm the creative and human resource head of the Lourdes Loop, the official communications organization of the school, the photography head of the Link, LSM's official publication, and a member of the Business Honors Circle. As shocking as it may seem, I'm fortunate to carry all these whilst being a student with high honors and a player of the Lourdes School basketball team. With all that said, managing the said responsibilities is no easy task, as it calls for sacrifice, perseverance, and strong faith in God. I am more than blessed to have a school that empowers me to go beyond the limitations that I have set for myself, ultimately leading me to achieving my full potential. To be completely honest, all my achievements can be attributed to how LSM has formed its students to be men of excellence and character on and off the court. Being a member of the LSM Griffins does not only allow me to develop my skills in basketball, as it also serves as a platform to hone the value of Franciscan brotherhood and minority in the form of virtues such as joy, peace, simplicity, and humility. This is the differentiating factor that separates a Lourdesian athlete from others. Indeed, competitiveness is still burning in our hearts, and it truly translates into our game. But we never forget to manifest good character and self-discipline, as these are facets of a true Lourdesian. I would never forget the times when our basketball coach, Coach Gabs, would shout on the court the line, "Hindi tayo mayabang na player," whenever we get overly excited, which causes us to cross the line. Perhaps this is the very reason why every single Lourdesian that has made the name for himself on the court remains humble despite achieving such great heights. Well-accepted athletes such as Renzo Subido, Gian Mamuyak, Arjun Melesio, and even the Ildefonso brothers have always remained grounded, notwithstanding the fame surrounding them. I'm truly grateful, as developing a strong foundation of morals is an advantage in whatever situation life may throw my way. Speaking of life's uncertainty, the spark of COVID-19 back in 2020 did not serve as a hindrance for the school in guiding its students to realize their potentials and enhance their skills. It merely served as a test, which proved to be subservient to LSM's commitment and tenacity. During this time, varsity training and PE classes were modified to adapt to online means. Amidst all the negativity surrounding the world, exercise became the medium to boost the students' morale. Personally, I cannot imagine how quarantine life would have been without the support of LSM Sports Development Office, as I needed every bit of stimulus to uplift my spirit. And I'm certain that my brothers would agree with me on this one. With all that said, it is a fact that I would not be in this situation without the undying support of our beloved school. So the next time that you look at my resume and wonder how I did it, always keep in mind that I would not be able to achieve all these without being a Lourdesian. Because essentially, this is what the school has destined for each of its students. Just like a basketball game, you cannot succeed in life by yourself, as it requires a collective effort of formators who will lead you to the right path. And I am proud to say that Lourdes School of Mandaluyong is the right place to be in. Once again, I am Jedsel Gabriel Bilibunaw, a brother and a Lourdesian.